Hey, what's happening? What's happening? And I'll go get ready. You know we coming down, man. It's gonna be pure excitement, all right? Trust me. And I'll go be coming. And speaking about excitement coming too with
It's
that.
going to be a movie. We coming, we bringing a team.
Yeah.
And listen good, for the entire month of July, SNL Restaurant and Bar in beautiful Matthew Down in August will be celebrating going straight through to the August Monday holiday weekend with great specials. Beer specials, Galick, Ultra, Heineken, Bud Light, Coors Light, only $5. All beers, $5 each. Mixed drinks, $5. $5 on Dominican Republic cigars and cigars from Cuba, $5.
This summer party's gonna fill your soul. Under the stars, we'll dance till dawn. SNL places, the fun goes on.